Top 15 Mysterious Natural Phenomenon That No One Can Yet Explain. Science is zooming ahead, uncovering the universe's secrets at warp speed. But hold on to your hats, because some mysteries still remain unsolved. In our latest video, we're diving into the top 15 mind-bending natural phenomenon that have scientists scratching their heads. Reality gets fuzzy, and the rules of nature take a wild turn. Stick around to the end of the video for all the juicy details on these unexplainable wonders. You won't want to miss it. Phenomenon number 1. The Hessdalen Lights. Okay, imagine a remote valley in Norway where strange, colorful lights dance across the sky without any apparent explanation. These elusive phenomena, known as the Hessdalen Lights, have been witnessed since the 1940s, appearing as orbs of light that move with seemingly intelligent behavior. Despite decades of study, scientists remain puzzled by their origin. Some theories suggest that they could be caused by ionized gas or plasma, while others speculate that they might be the result of an unknown geological or atmospheric process. But what's the truth? Well, we're yet to find out. But hey, you can find out much more by hitting that subscribe button. Phenomenon number 2. The Fairy Circles of Namibia. There is a vast expanse of barren desert punctuated by perfectly circular patches of lush green grass. These so-called fairy circles dot the landscape of Namibia, defying scientific explanation, and are typically surrounded by a ring of taller grass or vegetation. The circles are so evenly spaced, giving the landscape almost a geometric appearance. Theories propose that termites are responsible for creating the circles, while others suggest it's caused by competition for water and resources among the plants. However, none of these theories fully account for the precise symmetry and spacing of the circles, leaving the mystery of their origin yet unsolved. Phenomenon number 3. The Moving Rocks of Death Valley. Have you ever heard about rocks that just move randomly? Well, it's yet another one of our dear Earth's mysteries. In the barren expanse of Death Valley on the dry lake bed known as Racetrack Playa, large rocks appear to move across the surface, leaving behind long trails in their wake. For decades, scientists were puzzled over what could cause these stones to seemingly glide across the playa with no visible human or animal intervention. Eventually, it was discovered that under the right conditions, thin sheets of ice can form around the rocks, allowing them to be pushed by the wind, a rare occurrence that only adds to the mystique of this natural wonder. Phenomenon number 4. The Great Blue Hole. Off the coast of Belize lies a natural wonder that has captivated explorers and scientists alike, the Great Blue Hole. Have you ever heard about it? If so, let us know what you think. This massive underwater sinkhole stretches over 300 meters across and plunges to depths of over 120 meters. While its origins can be traced back to the last ice age when sea levels were lower, the mystery lies in its perfectly circular shape and its vibrant blue coloration. Some say it to be the result of a collapsed cave system, while others propose that it might be formed through the erosion of limestone by ancient rivers. Though these seem like quite reasonable explanations, we still don't really know the truth, and therefore, this is yet another unsolved mystery. Phenomenon number 5. The Boiling River of the Amazon. Do you think your shower is hot? Well, folks, it doesn't come anywhere near the boiling river of the Amazon. Deep in the heart of the Peruvian Amazon, a river flows that defies conventional wisdom, the Boiling River. Despite its name, the water is actually not boiling due to volcanic activity, but is rather heated by geothermal energy from underground hot springs. This unique phenomenon creates a river that can reach temperatures of up to 90 degrees Celsius, hot enough to cause severe burns or even death to any unsuspecting creatures that wander into its waters. The reason for its extreme heat and the geological forces at play remain the subject of ongoing research, but we know well enough not to swim in it. Phenomenon number 6. The Naga Fireballs. Ever seen fireballs so bright that they might as well be fictional? Say hello to the Naga Fireballs. Every year on the banks of the Mekong River in Thailand and Laos, a mysterious phenomenon known as the Naga Fireballs lights up the night sky. These glowing orbs of light rise from the water's surface and ascend into the air, creating a mesmerizing spectacle that has baffled scientists and locals alike for centuries. While some attribute the phenomenon to methane gas bubbling up from the riverbed and igniting upon contact with the air, others believe it could be the work of supernatural entities such as the mythical Naga serpents. Whether it's fiction or science, it's definitely a magical sight that you don't want to miss. Phenomenon number 7. The Taos Hum. Imagine a low, persistent hum that permeates the air, seemingly coming from nowhere and everywhere all at once. This is the mysterious Taos hum, a phenomenon that has plagued the residents of Taos, New Mexico for decades. Many theories attribute it to industrial machinery, environmental factors, or even purely auditory hallucinations experienced by those sensitive to low-frequency sound waves. Still, its real source remains a puzzle. So, what do you think it is? Share your views in the comments below. Phenomenon number 8. The Morning Glory Clouds. One spectacular meteorological phenomenon that occurs off the coast of northern Australia is the morning glory clouds. These are the elongated tubular clouds that stretch for hundreds of kilometers across the sky, appearing as rolling waves in the atmosphere. Many scientists believe that they may be the result of atmospheric gravity waves interacting with the unique topography of the region. These clouds form as air ascends ahead of each wave, and they evaporate as air descends behind each wave. However, the exact cause is still uncertain, but they surely mesmerize the glider pilots from all over the world who seek to ride the rolling waves of the morning glory. Phenomenon number 9. Lake Natron. Did you know that there is a lake in northern Tanzania that turns every bird flying over it to stones? Yeah, you heard that right. Birds, bats, and other unlucky animals get a stone makeover whenever they touch the lake's super alkaline waters. The process of calcification is understood. It's the result of the lake's highly alkaline waters and mineral content. The sheer number of calcified remains raises questions. Why are there so many? And how did they end up there? It's a mystery that even scientists scratch their heads over. Phenomenon number 10. The ball lightning. Now, let's talk about something a little less flashy but equally fascinating. Ball lightning. Picture this, you're sitting at home, minding your own business, when suddenly a glowing ball of light appears out of nowhere and starts bouncing around your living room. Sounds like something from a ghost story, right? Well, believe it or not, ball lightning is a real phenomenon that scientists are still trying to fully understand. It's like nature's very own magic trick. There are some theories made to explain this ball lightning during a thunderstorm, like lightning striking the ground and vaporizing silicon. Or it's being the result of electrical discharge inside the thunderclouds. Either way, it's a shocking sight to behold. Phenomenon number 11. Raining animals. Okay, you better brace yourself for this one. Yeah, you heard me right. Sometimes it literally rains animals from the sky. From frogs to fish to even spiders. These bizarre showers have been reported all over the world throughout history. One popular theory is that waterspouts or tornadoes can suck up small animals from bodies of water and carry them high into the atmosphere. When the winds weaken, the animals rain back down to the ground, sometimes miles away from where they were originally picked up. I guess it really could rain cats and dogs. Phenomenon number 12. Blood rain. Similar to the animal rain, there is also blood rain. This eerie precipitation gets its name from its red hue, which is caused by the presence of tiny microorganisms or dust particles in the atmosphere. So if you ever find yourself caught in a downpour of blood rain, don't panic. It's probably just Mother Nature playing tricks on you. Phenomenon number 13. Humongous hailstones. Do you know about the humongous hailstones of hell? These monstrous balls of ice can reach sizes larger than baseballs, wreaking havoc on anything and everything in their path. If these monsters hit your head, your chances of survival are pretty low. Phenomenon number 14. Underwater river. Let's talk about underwater rivers. Yep, you read that correctly, rivers flowing beneath the ocean surface. These hidden currents found in places like the Black Sea and Mexico's Cenote Angelita transport sediment and marine life along secret pathways. It's kinda like something straight out of a Jules Verne adventure. Phenomenon number 15. The Fata Morgana. Lastly, have you ever seen elaborate, distorted images of distant objects just floating up there in the sky? That's the Fata Morgana, a complex and rare form of mirage that occurs when light is refracted through different layers of the atmosphere. These mirages often appear as castles or cities hovering above the horizon, captivating and confusing observers. It's no less than magic itself. And there you have it, folks, 15 mysterious natural phenomenon that no one can yet explain. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, let us know by hitting the subscribe button and sharing your views in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious.